Yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? Whew. Night walk during the late June in Poland. It's about 10 degrees, 12 actually. My car showed me 12 degrees not so long ago. I'm doing the loops around my park to keep my steps, 10,000 steps and healthy lifestyle and everything. Actually, it's better to walk when it's cold like this, chill weather like this, rather than it's 30 plus heat and the sun. So yeah, I done little bit of the night walking. Here we go. The tram's cruising so fast. The good thing is that it's like at 8:30 p.m. You walk like in the city park, and it's just sad. There are some restaurants still open, people some jogging and everything. It's just so easy going, like totally no stress. The one thing about the Poland is that this is safe. The most important thing. Alright, you can go straight to the city. You can get to the park. But it's night. Oh, there are lights actually. It's still dark. It's Friday afternoon actually. You can still hear some kids in the park. Crossing some little bridge. This lake. You can hear the sound of the water. And there is still family with the small kid walking around. And there is one Michelin star restaurant, by the way. In this park at night, particularly at this time, it's really the best when it's snowing. And when it's like a winter and it's snowing and you have these lanterns and the trees and everything, and the snow is falling. There's never much wind because obviously it's the park. It's really cool. And the lights over the lake. A little bit different vibe than in Asia, right? Especially in Southeast Asia where I live at night. However, guys, if you would like to have a little bit more contacts on daily basis with us, we are very active on our Instagram. You can look on Instagram, The Monkeys YouTube together, and you can find our profile and follow us and everything, so you can see us daily. So follow The Monkeys YouTube on Instagram together, and you can find our profile, follow us. Then you have almost every day we have some Insta stories. We posting quite a lot actually. Yes, YouTube and Instagram, we always our profile together, and then we can stay in touch. Also, you can contact me, text me there all the time. I have a contact with our viewers over there, so I hope so. I see you there. Okay, I go pick up Winnie from the work actually right now. See ya, take care.